Imagine creating a five-star dining experience in the comfort of your own home with family and friends gathered together, preparing delicious meals in an atmosphere of unhurried relaxation. Welcome to Eating for Life, where we believe in adding healthy food and fun back into the kitchen. Incorporating her 30 years of experience, Teri Secrest wrote her latest book, Eating for Life, with 3 clear goals in mind: to inspire you to fall in love with life-giving whole foods, to help you gain confidence as a home chef, and to encourage you to create extravagant hospitality for all who enter your home. Get ready for your senses to come alive when your kitchen and your recipes become infused with vibrant essential oils. In this 253-page exquisite full-color book, you will receive step-by-step instructions on each recipe and why each ingredient loves your body. This book is about building a legacy of love and joy through these amazing cooking experiences. If you are ready to elevate your culinary skills, this book is for you. Order your copy today